I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the insuring public and indeed all Ugandans towards achieving and starting the new year 2020. And I want to wish you a prosperous 2020. The year 2019 has seen a lot of transformation in the insurance industry, which have contributed to a growth which was recorded for the first 9 months. It was recorded at 13.6% increment in the gross written premiums. This meant that we registered premiums 748 billions, which were underwritten for the first 9 months. This is a great achievement, and indeed it is a promising move. Effective the year 2020, we have seen that we have implemented the perpetual licensing, and for intermediaries, some of them we are licensing them for 2 years, and we renew the license. As I speak now, a total of 128 players have been licensed, and this has already been published in the newspapers. And in here we have 2 reinsurance companies, we have 21 non-life insurance companies, we have 9 life insurance companies, we have 2 micro-insurance companies, we have 5 health membership organizations, we have 2 reinsurance brokers, 39 insurance brokers, 28 loss assessors, loss adjusters, insurance surveyors, and risk managers, and we have 20 bank assurance agents. This to us is a very promising move, and indeed it is reassuring that we are on the right track. I want to encourage Ugandans to take up and buy insurance of various nature, depending on the business or the property you own. Important to note is that beginning January 2020, for the first 6 months, the importers and the exporters are encouraged to take voluntary marine stroke goods in transit insurance, and this is going to be done using our e-portal, which all insurance companies will be participating. We have agreed with the Uganda Revenue Authority that the players, the importers who use this portal and use this facility will be getting some benefits for their own good. I want to encourage all Ugandans to use this opportunity, and effective July 2020, we are going to make it mandatory. Even before we make it mandatory, I want to encourage Ugandans to use this opportunity. Secondly, we, in an effort of streamlining the motor third-party payment, we have introduced a motor third-party payment platform where you can pay at the comfort of whatever you decide. You can pay through MTN and Airtel. This platform is intended to improve on claims settlement processes and indeed reduce on the fraud which had been detected earlier on. We can trace now the payments which are done online, and even the traffic policemen can confirm whether you have a motor third-party insurance or not, even without disturbing you as it was before. the public is encouraged to use this digital platform, which is intended to improve on the way we serve you. Thirdly, the agriculture insurance uptake in the year 2019 has improved, and only the year 2019, 42,852 farmers were covered under the agriculture insurance scheme, and over 4.7 billion was paid out in claims. As you note, Ugandans, that we are generally agriculturalists at different levels. I want to encourage you to take up agriculture insurance, which covers the big farmers and indeed the small farmers. And this will help us to address the issues of too much rain or too little rain. And indeed, the people like the ones in Bududa, some of them were paid as a result of the landslides they suffered. The time is now for Ugandans to buy the agriculture insurance in order to modernize our farming. Regarding the National Health Insurance Scheme, I want to say that we will continue to pursue this bill, which is before Parliament. And indeed, this is intended to improve our standards of living. It will also help us that when we fall sick, people stop chasing for money in order to get treated, because you'll have your card, which you only need to present in hospital for you to access the treatment. I want to encourage Ugandans to support this initiative, as we encourage and request the members of Parliament to pass this bill into law. Regarding the cash and carry, which was also an initiative we started in the year 2019, we want to say that the results are promising. Now, moving on, people have to pay for the policies before they take them, and this is intended to improve on the time lags which are taken in case you get, in case you are to claim for any of the insured perils. May I also address you on the issue of insurance fraud. As we start 2020, we want to warn the public, those who are thinking of getting involved in fraudulent activities regarding insurance or claiming insurance. We need the fraudsters now to be fully fought and stopped, because when there is fraud, this increases the cost of buying insurance, and as a result, people pay for the service which they do not consume. We have made various initiatives to address this, including the creation of fraud unit at the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda. Working with the Uganda Police, we are sure that we will stamp out this vice. The Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda pledges its continued support and creation of a conducive regulatory environment as we support the initiatives geared towards increasing the desired penetrations of insurance in Uganda. I thank you.